Hey there, VR fans. Get ready for some thrilling news. If you're eyeing the Meta Quest 3 VR headset, you're in for a treat. We're about to unveil a treasure trove of freebies worth a staggering 198s that you can unlock with your new headset. Let's dive in and explore what's in store for you. First up, Meta is offering carefully curated game titles to maximize your virtual reality experience. Get ready for hours of immersive gameplay with these exclusive titles. But wait, there's more. The possibilities are endless. Personalize your virtual identity with a range of exclusive avatar accessories. To snag these amazing freebies, simply purchase your Meta Quest 3 VR headset and visit the Meta website or Oculus app to redeem your exclusive offers. Follow the step-by-step instructions and you'll be unlocking a world of VR delights in no time. There you have it, the scoop on the incredible freebies waiting for you with the Meta Quest 3 VR headset. If you're a VR enthusiast or thinking about diving into the virtual world, now might be the perfect time to make that upgrade. Happy virtual reality adventures, and I'll catch you in the metaverse.